Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Payoneer account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Payoneer account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in payoneer.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Payoneer login like this on the Google and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the payoneer.com over here. Click on there, and on the first tab we were here from the direct website, but on the second tab we were on this page from the Google. Since both of these pages are same, let's close on these. Now to log into your Payoneer account from your computer, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in, and after that the sign in page for Payoneer will open, and you'll be required to enter your Gmail over here like this. And after that, enter your password like this and click on sign in to log into your Payoneer account. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Payoneer, simply click on sign up to go through a procedure to create an account on Payoneer. Now let's click on sign in and let's let the page load. And there guys, we have successfully signed in to our Payoneer account from our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.